Teresa Freed with Johnson County Government. It's our goal to stop the spread of COVID-19 in our community. We also want to make sure you have the latest information on our efforts. For data on how COVID-19 is impacting the county, visit our dashboard on jocogov.org.
I'm Dr. Joe LeMaster. I am the local health officer for Johnson County. So today we want to talk about Halloween safety tips given the fact that we're in the coronavirus pandemic. So first, some general tips. We want you to think as you would every year about your family's safety, your kids' safety. General things to think about would include the fact that kids should never be walking alone in a neighborhood from house to house. They should always be accompanied by an adult. That they should be stopping and looking both ways before they cross the street. That they should never go inside a house, especially by themselves, with other people that they don't know. Always be careful about the sorts of things that are given to you in trick or treat. Make sure and have a good look at them when your kids come back from trick or treats, to make sure that everything is safe, that they receive back. This year there are some new things, though, to be thinking about, things that are different than before. So first, let's just keep talking about trick-or-treating. We strongly would advise this year that this happens in a different way than it has before. It doesn't mean that trick-or-treating can't happen, but it needs to happen in a way which is safer. So what are some things that we would recommend? First, think about giving out your trick-or-treats in a way that will help social distancing happen. Mark up your walkway so that people can stand on special spots 6 feet apart. Hand out your trick-or-treating candy through some sort of tube that you decorate up that allows you to maintain social distancing from the people that come to the door. Try and avoid any kind of crowding that's happening at that situation. Parents, when you come home and your kids bring home their candy, it would be best to set that aside for a couple of days, since many different people will have handled that candy, or somehow be able to disinfect it on the outside. But the best would be for you to have a separate bag of candy for the kids when they come home, so they don't have to interact with the trick-or-treat candy. Make sure that everyone washes their hands really well as soon as they get back. They will have been in contact with a lot of different people's households collecting that candy.
For more information about COVID-19 in Johnson County, visit jocogov.org/coronavirus. You can also subscribe to a daily e-newsletter with the latest data and precautions being taken in the county and state.